Hello everyone and welcome back to another Weather Guy video. Today we will be talking about Winter Storm Mabel. So Winter Storm Mabel is going to be affecting the Rocky Mountains, the panhandle of Texas, and all the way into the Northeast between now and Thursday. This is the NAM 12-kilometer model. Let's click through. So right now, here's the low pressure. There's also a spin over here. There's snow in the Rockies and snow in Texas. Then that continues to move north and east, developing more snow on the back end in the Rockies. And that continues to move north and east. And then this low pressure is also going to come down. And they meet together as this all strengthens. New low pressure right here. And then they all move into the Northeast. Some areas like New York, Connecticut, Rhode Island, and Massachusetts, even Boston, could see some snow with this. Finally, it's been a long time since the 95 corridor, anywhere on the 95 corridor up there, has gotten any snow. And that all moves out with the I-95 corridor changing to rain almost immediately. And then the interior of the Northeast getting heavy snow totals. Let's see what those snow totals are for the NAM 12-kilometer model. Now, this is a little bit light on compared to what the European has been predicting. But you could see 6-inch snow totals in the New Mexico area, but mostly that 1 to 3 inch range across most of the eastern U.S. Some areas of 3 to 5 as well. But let's see what the European model predicts. Now let's start clicking through here. You can see similar setup to what the NAM 12-kilometer model showed. And we continue to see that through here. It just takes a little bit slower for it to get started. Then once that happens, the storm system develops. That northern system comes down, they meet in the plains, and then it moves into the Northeast. Also producing some snow on that I-95 corridor, but quickly switching over to rain there. So Winter Storm Mabel will pack a punch, a little bit longer of a punch, but still a punch. Now let's see the snow depth. So mountain snow, heavier snow totals in the north. And let's compare that to where we are currently. So significant snow totals in the Northeast and in the Midwest. This is just a quick video. Since we kind of covered it in the last video. But as always, stay safe. Let's cruise through the thing. And I'll see you guys next time.